In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your presentation notes in Zoom, while still presenting confidently and professionally. When you're presenting in Zoom, a common challenge is wanting to see your speaker notes without sharing them with your audience. Maybe you're using PowerPoint, Google Slides, or another slide tool, and you'd like your notes visible only to you. The good news is, there are a few simple ways to do this by taking advantage of how screen sharing works in Zoom. First, open your presentation as you normally would, and get it ready in presenter view or a similar mode where you can see both your current slide and your notes. Usually, this opens either in a separate window or on a different part of your screen. The key idea is that Zoom doesn't have to share your entire screen. It can share just one specific window. That's what we're going to use. Now, switch over to Zoom and join or start your meeting. Once you're in the meeting, look for the Share Screen button at the bottom center of the Zoom window. When you click Share Screen, Zoom will show you a list of windows and screens that you can share. Instead of choosing your entire desktop, carefully select only the window that shows your full slides, not the window that shows your notes or presenter view controls. If your presentation software opens multiple windows and you're not sure which one is which, hover over the thumbnails for a moment and look at the small preview. You want the clean, full slide view that your audience should see, not the view with notes and timers. Take your time here, because once you select the right window and hit share, only that window will be visible to attendees. With the slides now shared, you can arrange your own screen to keep your notes visible. For example, you might drag the presenter view with your notes to one side of your monitor and keep the Zoom controls and participants' video on the other side. Your audience will still see only the shared slide window, even if you move other windows around on your screen. If you have a second monitor, this becomes even easier. You can put the slides you're sharing on one screen and your notes and meeting controls on the other. Just remember to always share the monitor or window that shows only the slides. Finally, before presenting to a real audience, do a quick test in a private Zoom meeting or with a colleague. Confirm that participants see only your slides, not your notes. Once you've checked that, you can present with confidence, knowing your notes are safely hidden while you stay perfectly on track.